Hi guys, welcome back to Burp Talk. Today, Lindsay has brought us some cherry Coca-Cola Zeros.
You have never tried, right?
I don't know that I have, but she says they're so good.
They're almost like the real.
Are you?
That was not a burp.
That's good though.
Right?
It's very good. God, I hope I don't have the hiccups. Oh my God.
Y'all. I've told her how good these are for like the last 3 weeks, and then she's gonna sit here and take a sip and get the hiccups.
Use your water. Swallow like a chicken.
Swallow what? Chicken!
I'm a mess right now, y'all. It hurts.
Goodness.
Oh Lord. Oh.
Dick. I'm not done. I'm not done. It's still in there. I feel something real big.
Really?
It's probably gonna be small.
I feel.
Golly.
I don't know what.
That was small.
Yeah. It's all like little ones. Oh. Goodness, honey.
There's so much
Was that
going on right now.
That was her.
I know.
There's so much. Oh my God. There's so much going on right now. Oh,
I wasn't done. It's like a cucumber. Yours too.
What's that? Does it?